In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Webflow forms with Mailchimp to streamline your email marketing efforts. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly send form submissions from your Webflow site directly to your Mailchimp audience, ensuring your email list remains up to date without more manual data entry. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Webflow account. If you're new to Webflow, let me give you a quick heads up. It's a powerful tool for designing and developing websites without touching a single line of code. Once you're logged in, open up the project that hosts the form you want to connect with Mailchimp. If you haven't already created your form, this is the perfect moment to do so. Within your project, either create a new form element or select an existing one that you wish to use. Webflow offers intuitive tools to customize forms to fit your website's aesthetic and functional needs, so feel free to take advantage of those if it suits your project. Next, it's time to connect these form submissions to Mailchimp. You have a couple of options here. One is using Webflow Logic, a feature that allows you to automate workflows within Webflow. However, this feature might not be available to all users. Alternatively, third-party tools like Zapier can be used to link your Webflow form submissions to Mailchimp. Zapier acts as a bridge, enabling you to send data from Webflow to Mailchimp every time someone submits a form. Now, you'll need to set up triggers. Triggers are the steps that initiate the data transfer. Essentially, you're telling the system, whenever a form is submitted, send that information to my Mailchimp account. In Zapier, this step is key, as it determines when and how data flows between Webflow and Mailchimp. After setting up triggers, it's essential to ensure that the form fields on your Webflow site match precisely with the list fields in Mailchimp. This is a critical step often referred to as mapping. Mapping ensures that your form fields, such as a visitor's first name, last name, and email address, align correctly with your Mailchimp list, ensuring data accuracy and seamless integration. Once you've got everything lined up, it's crucial to test the integration. Submit a test entry on your form to verify that the data appears correctly in your Mailchimp audience. Make sure there are no hiccups or misalignments and that everything is functioning just as it should. Then when you're satisfied that the integration is working smoothly, go ahead and publish your site. There you have it, a streamlined approach to connecting Webflow forms with Mailchimp, making sure your email marketing is automated and effective. With these tools and steps, you can focus more on creating great content and less on managing your subscriber lists. Happy automating!